Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now for today, I was going to switch out some of my summer decor items for some fall decor items. Now I did purchase a few new fall things, but I also wanted to repurpose some of the summer things that I have, but I wanted to do it in a way where I wasn't ruining the original artwork. So I figured out a way to do it without having to use Mod Podge or glue or anything like that. And it's very easy and simple. And if you're interested, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Keep watching.
Guys, so first I'm going to take some double-sided tape and I'm going to put some along all four corners of the picture frame. Make sure that you place it firmly down so that you don't get any bubbles in your picture. Then you're going to take a printable, this is the one I chose, and you're going to lay it flat against the picture, and then you are going to push down on it firmly so that the tape can grasp onto the piece of paper. Then you're going to push firm along the edges so that you can get an indent in the paper to see where you're going to be cutting along. Now the tape from Dollar Tree isn't going to be like strong enough to where it's going to rip the paper or anything when you take this off so that you can cut it. Once you're done with all sides, you're going to take a pen. I chose a black pen to go ahead and trace around the edges so that it gives a nice like cover to your edges. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it just makes it look better when you put the picture onto the frame. Like, it kind of camouflages the edges of your piece of paper. Okay, once you're done with tracing your edges, you're going to go ahead and take the piece of paper off and start cutting along those edges. Now you're going to take your tape once again and you're going to place it all over around like every single corner, every single side, so that it has a nice full grasp this time when you place the piece of paper onto it. Now go ahead, place it down, push firm on it, and you are done. And by the way, the links for the free printables will be in the description below, so you guys can go and find them yourselves and use them in whatever DIYs you guys want. Guys, for my next DIY, we're doing one of those house shadow boxes from the Dollar Tree. I already had a paper in there. I took it out and printed out another printable. I'm going to go ahead and fold along the edges of the shadow box, making sure to get another indent in the paper so that I know where to cut. Now go ahead and begin cutting along those dents. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and begin fitting it into the shadow box. Now the sides are going to kind of crumple and rise a little bit, but that's okay. We're going to make another dent with it so that we can see where to cut it exactly so that it makes a perfect size for the box. Okay, now that we're done, we're going to begin cutting along those lines. Once again, take your double-sided tape and begin putting tape pieces inside of the box so that you can put your printable onto it. Went ahead and added these little, I don't know what they're called, like little straw balls or something, because I thought it looked cute and it gave it a little something extra. Alright, now I'm going to be taking apart this wreath that I had DIY'd for summer, and I'm going to make it a little more season appropriate by removing all of the summer stuff, and I'm going to be adding some fall things. So I'm adding that burlap ribbon back because I still think it will look cute for fall. And then I'm going to be adding one of these little metal signs. It says Harvest. You can get these at Dollar Tree. Actually, you can get the wreath as well from Dollar Tree. Gluing that on. And then I got these little picks from Dollar General. They were only $1. And I'm just wrapping them into the wreath because they have long stems, so I don't have to glue it or anything. So it makes it for an easy change up.
Alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoyed decorating with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!